Hi guys, welcome to Creative Crush. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to create a beautiful header section for your HTML web page. So first, let me create my HTML document. I have already created it. Now in this, let us start the coding. So first, let us create a section in the body. So let me create it. And for this section, we'll give a class as head2. And in this section we'll be adding an list. So let us add an unordered list here. So let us add an list item. So now I have finished adding the list items. So next, let us add even an heading after the section, so you can continue the coding after the head after this navigation. So let me give. So now I'm going to start with the coding part. So before that, let us first select our font. So let me go to Google Fonts. So now I'm going to take this font which I like. You can choose your favorite font. So once you come to Google Fonts, so we have this font over here. So you can click on this button and then you can copy this and come to your codes. So here in the head about title, we'll paste this code, and here the CSS code is there. We are going to copy even this, and then we'll be pasting this in the CSS code. So it's an internal CSS. So we'll open style and let the type be text of CSS, and first let us put up a star and open your braces and paste it. So now let us save this document and let us preview it. So you can see we got it in the style we have chosen, and we got our heading 1 and the list is also ready. So now let us start with our internal CSS codes. So first let us start coding the h2. So we have given the class as head2, so let me just type it, head2 as our selector, and then in this we'll give the background image. So let's choose the background image, so URL. So let me open my files and give the background. So I want this banner.jpg. Right click and the properties of it. So I'm going to copy the parent folder location and paste it in the URL slash banner.jpg. Now I'm going to save this and let us preview it. Let me close these things and I'm going to preview it. So this image comes only till over here. How do I make it big? For that we'll be using the height. So let me add my height as 100 VH, means for the entire screen. Now let me preview this. So when I full screen it, you can see it's in the full height. So now let us add our next selector code. Next we'll add the CSS code for our unordered list. So let us select the unordered list. Here we'll keep the text align as center or right, anything will be fine. So let me keep it in right for now. So next is UL and list item. So here we'll be putting the display. So let the display be in inline block to make it in one line. Next is the ULLIA for selector, and here the color will be in white, or you can even type the hexadecimal code, and text declaration will be none to remove the dashes below is none. So now let us preview this. So it's a bit good. Now it came in the right side and there's no text declarations. So next let us add more CSS code to it. So we'll add padding as it's too close. Padding will give as 20 pixels. And then let us add the font size. Font size, let it be 25 pixels. Now let us preview this document. So we got it big and there's padding, so now it looks good. So next is like when we hover it, we want an border below this. So now we select as ULLI A is to hover. So it says when we hover, and open your braces and let us type the code border bottom. So let me type it, and let it be for 2 pixels and solid black, or let me give it as orange. And then I want to change the font color too, so color also orange, and background color as white. And let me give the transform. If you want, you can give. Let me save this and let us preview this. So when I hover it, I get an orange line below this. So let me give transform. I think background color won't work here, so transform, and then transform, transform is for 3 seconds. Now let us preview this, how it works. So the font also becomes an orange, but it does not look so good, so let us remove this and let's preview our document. Now it looks good. So that's all guys, creating the header in an HTML document is easy, and we have this head one here. After this you can add any paragraphs. Okay guys, thank you, see you in my next video. Bye bye. You can like, share and subscribe my videos. Bye guys.